arguments in triple talaq have been going on for several days now. Today was the final day, essentially for replies to be given by those who felt that they had something in response to suggest to whatever arguments were made by the opposing side. Essentially, the Muslim Personal Law Board responded to what the state had said, what the Attorney General had said, and also to what some other people had said. We all responded to those respective issues that had arisen. Essentially, the focus remained on what is the fundamental area that Shariat occupies, and whether triple talaq is an integral part of Shariat or of personal law. There are two views there, and there have been several competing views as far as the four schools of jurisprudence are concerned. The court now has to decide whether it will harmonize, as I suggested to the court, that you must harmonize different views so that there is one acceptable view available for the courts in our country, as in the case of the judgment that was passed by Justice Badr Ahmad as a judge of the Delhi High Court. I have suggested that this harmonizing effort has to be undertaken, whereas the Personal Law Board has said that the harmonizing effort cannot be done by court and should not be done by court. They've suggested legislation. I have said that if something is part of personal law, then neither legislation nor courts can interfere. But if legislation is permissible, if it can be removed from practice by way of redrafted nikah namas, then it can't possibly be a matter of faith. You can't contract out of faith, just as you can't legislate out of faith. So I think that there is a little distance and difference between the Personal Law Board's opinion and mine, and some of the other parties are even further away. Now it depends on what the court will accept.